today's our topic is cross multiplication method. I hope that you have learned the elimination and substitution method, which are most easier in this chapter. But if the right is going on the cross multiplication method, it is little bit different, or we can say difficult than substitution and elimination methods. So let's get started with our first. So in this chapter we are going to find the values of x and y from this pair of equations, which are as x plus y is equal to 7 and 5x plus 12y is equal to 7. So for this we have to write, in understanding you, I have to write two pair of equations like this: a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 is equal to 0. And this write this pair of equation into this form. So it can be written as s plus y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 5x plus 12y minus 7 is equal to 0. So that's all. So the first step is to convert this into the form of ax plus by plus c. Now compare them, finding a value of for cross multiplication method. Since I have told you earlier that it is different from the substitution and elimination method, so we have to write the values of a1, b1 and c1. So value of a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 1 and c1 is equal to minus 7, whereas a2 is equal to 5, b2 is equal to 12 and c2 is equal to minus 7. These are all the values of a1, b1, c2, a2, b2, c2 from this equation on comparing these equations. Now just focus on this, that we need to know the formula of cross multiplication method. So what is the formula? Write x, y and 1. X, this one the variables, two variables, and 1 the constant. That much. This not equal signs. So we are just taking the x, so this equation x, so we have to write the coefficient of another ones like b and this constant. So b c minus b c, and after that you have written b c minus b c, then you have to write y, then y is along with c a minus c a, and after this is a constant, so this is a constant, and following the same pattern we have to write ab, that is ab minus ab. That's all. So you might be wonder that bc minus minus is equal to 0, but that's not happen all. We are going to write another formula, that is 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. So that's a formula for the cross multiplication method. It makes very easy because we know the values of this. But if you are perfect in cross multiplication method by practicing more and more questions, then you do not need to write this and this. You can directly go on the formula. So putting the values b1 1 c2 minus 7 minus b2 12 minus 3, this minus 5 is equal to y divided by this c1 minus 5, this 2 minus 4, and this a1 is equal to 1 is equal to constant 1 divided by 1 minus 3 minus 2 1. So this is our formula, the general form. So either here you have to focus on this constant term like x. By solving this terms we get as minus 19, like minus 7 minus 15, so minus 19 is equal to y minus 5 into 10 plus minus 10 plus 4, that is minus 6 is equal to 1 divided by minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 5. Here we have to focus these values of variable to the constant terms 1 by 5 and y by minus 6 is equal to 1 by minus 5. So here value of our x is 19 divided by 5 and value of y is equal to 6 divided by 5. Plus signs got it. So this was all about the cross multiplication method. I have given you some examples of taking some examples of linear pair of equations. It was a simple one, but what if someone asks you that what is the difference between the elimination substitution and that of cross multiplication method? The similarity is that these both methods can be used to get the values of x and y, whereas cross multiplication methods give the value of x and y simultaneously, whereas in the substitution or elimination method, firstly you
Thank
get
you
the
for
value
watching
of
and
one
like and
variable
subscribe
and
our
use this
channel.
variable for finding the another variable. So this is the difference. I hope that you like this video.